Today, we're going to dive into one of Python's most elegant and powerful features, slicing. It's a technique that lets us carve out exactly what we need from our data structures.
Imagine we're building a fantasy adventure game. Our heroes, each with their own stats and quirks, are stored inside a list of dictionaries. Every dictionary represents one adventurer and their attributes. To make our output easier to read, I'm using the Pretty Table library and a helper function that prints any slice we create in a clean, readable table. Before diving into slicing, let's warm up by sorting our adventurers by strength and printing the full roster. Perfect! The list appears sorted, beautifully formatted, and ready for quest planning. You'll notice I added a reverse index column showing each adventurer's position from the bottom of the list. That little trick will come in handy soon. Let's start with something familiar, grabbing individual adventurers. A slice can be as small as a single element. You can pick heroes from the top of the list using positive indexes, or from the bottom using negative ones. Let's print the results. There they are. One adventurer selected using index 3, the fourth from the top, and another using index -2, the second from the bottom. Just remember, counting from the top starts at 0. Counting from the bottom starts at -1. Now let's do something more strategic. Suppose we want to send the 3 weakest adventurers on a training quest. We can slice the first 3 elements like this. And there they are, exactly the slice we wanted. What if we want 4 consecutive adventurers, but starting somewhere in the middle of the list? Let's rewrite the slice as shown. This means start at index 4, inclusive, stop at index 8, exclusive. Let's see it in action. Sometimes you want everything from a certain point onward. In this example, we slice from index 9 to the end by leaving the second index empty. Works exactly as expected. Negative indexes let you slice starting from the bottom of the list. Here, we begin at index -2 and go to the end by leaving the second index empty. Let's check it out. Before we continue, here's a crucial detail. A slice doesn't duplicate the elements, it references the original ones. To demonstrate, I'll add 10 experience points to the adventurers in a slice, then print the original list. Notice how the original values changed? That's because both lists point to the same underlying dictionaries. Now let's explore slicing with steps. In this example, we take elements from index 0 to 5, stepping by 2. Run it. We get the adventurers at indexes 0, 2, and 4. You can also step backwards. Here's a slice starting at index -2, ending at -6, exclusive, stepping by -2, meaning that we move upwards through the list. Run it and check the results. Finally, let's combine both worlds. This slice starts at index 3, ends at index -2, and steps downward by 3. Let's run it and see the result. Before we wrap up our adventure, let's take a moment to recap the core ideas behind slicing. Because once you truly understand these, you can navigate any list like a seasoned game master. A slice is simply a way to carve out part of a list. You choose where to start, where to stop, how big your steps are, and Python hands you exactly that portion. One of the most important rules, something beginners often trip over, is this. The stop index is exclusive. That means when you write a range like 2, 7 with a step of 2, you get 3 elements starting at 2, which is included, and ending at 6, because 7 is excluded. This exclusive stop index is what makes slicing predictable and powerful. It lets you chain slices, build ranges, and avoid off-by-1 errors once the pattern clicks. If you enjoyed this video and want more Python tutorials, game dev walkthroughs, and coding adventures, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. And if you want live tutoring, real-time help, and a community of learners, you're welcome to join us at shedcoders.com. It's the perfect place to level up your skills with guidance and support. Shed Coders. Code your future now.